In this video, we will cover the pitfalls of dieting and food intolerance. Pitfall is basically an unexpected danger or difficulty. Means एक ऐसा problem that may happen in the future and we are not aware about it. Like any hidden danger which is not easily recognized. Like most of the individuals, they want to look attractive and slim. So to reduce weight, they go for dieting. They start starving. They skip their meals and sometimes take slimming pills. So this not only reduces their weight after a certain period but also causes health problems. As you see here, the meaning of pitfall, the pitfalls involved in a particular activity or situation are the things that may go wrong or may cause problems, but we are not aware about it. We don't recognize it. So there are different causes of pitfalls. Means people find that dieting is good but they don't know that what it can lead to, उसका side effect क्या हो सकता है. So what the people do? Number one, they start reducing calories. Means the person take a low calorie meal, less carbohydrate, less protein, no fat, which causes low level of energy, and thus a person feels lethargic, tired, and there is body ache in the person. Then they start skipping meals. They used to skip their meals. Means इसमें बताया है that people used to skip their meals to reduce weight. Like they will skip their breakfast and then directly they will go for lunch. Or after having breakfast, they will skip their lunch and then directly go for the dinner. So this pitfall creates a huge impact on the person's body. Then they don't perform any physical activity. People consider that if they want to control weight, then let's reduce the diet. So they delete exercise or workout from their daily routine, which is equally important for a healthy lifestyle. Then they go for starvation. Starving is nothing but dying from hunger, भूखे रहना. Most of the people go for starving. They think that starvation is good, but ultimately it's the road to death, because the person suffers or die because the person don't eat enough, or it may cause severe health problems. This is what starving is. Then risk of obesity. People believe that, means there is a belief in the people that if they will eat good diet, then they will gain weight and will end up becoming obese. So that's why they go for dieting, but it's not true. A good diet improves our metabolism. Means अगर हम भूखे हैं, अगर हम कुछ नहीं खा रहे हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हम वेट रिड्यूस करेंगे. इनफैक्ट वो हमारे मेटाबॉलिज्म का अफेक्ट करेगा. Next point is stress. There are many other reasons for stress in life. बहुत से ऐसे reasons हैं stress लेने के, but dieting is one of them. When your body is not able to handle loads of activities, बहुत सारा हमारे ऊपर pressure है काम का, तो इससे क्या डेवलप होता है? स्ट्रेस डेवलप होता है. दिस स्ट्रेस वर्सन्स द फिजिकल एज वेल एज मेंटल हेल्थ ऑफ द पर्सन. द नेक्स्ट इज स्लिमिंग पिल्स. Sometimes people take slimming pills to reduce weight without doctor's recommendation. It may be fatal. It may lead to death. So if you will continue dieting for a long time, it can damage your internal organs of the body. Its working efficiency, means body की जो working efficiency है वो decrease हो जाएगी, and thus you become less energetic, lazy, and will become weak. Next topic is food intolerance. Food intolerance is that when a person has difficulty in digesting a particular food. Means the person is not able to digest the food. He or she is not able to digest the food, क्योंकि जो कुछ फूड में जो एलिमेंट्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं वो हमारी बॉडी प्रोसेसिंग नहीं कर पाती है, एब्जॉर्ब नहीं कर पाती है, हमारा डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम उसे एब्जॉर्ब नहीं कर पाता है. इसका मेन कॉज यही है कि हमारे जो एंजाइम्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं हमारे बॉडी में वो एब्सेंट होते हैं. दैट्स वाई द फूड इज़ नॉट एबल टू ब्रेक डाउन. फूड ब्रेक डाउन नहीं हो पाता, और जो एलिमेंट्स हैं, फूड एलिमेंट्स हैं, दे आर नॉट एब्जॉर्ब बाय आवर बॉडी. व्हाट आर द सिम्टम्स, अगर हमको फूड इंटॉलरेंस हो रहा है देन उसके कुछ सिम्टम्स हमें नज़र आते हैं, जैसे कि वॉमिटिंग हो गया, नोजिया, पेन इन जॉइंट्स, हेडेक, रैशेस ऑन द स्किन, डायरिया एंड स्टमक पेन। नाउ हाउ यू कैन प्रिवेंट इट, इसको कैसे प्रिवेंट किया जा सकता है? बाय टेकिंग योगर्ट प्रोडक्ट्स, योगर्ट इज़ दही, दही का बना हुआ प्रोडक्ट्स लीजिए। देन कंज्यूम alternate food products, alternate food products means like if you are taking, for example, if you are taking white chocolate, that instead of white chocolate you can go for dark chocolate, because it is quite nutritious as it contains fiber and many more minerals like iron, magnesium, potassium. It is full of antioxidants which helps to keep us young. Then other example, like instead of ice cream we can go for frozen yogurt, because it contains probiotics which helps our digestive system. And instead of sweets we can go for dry fruits, because sweets have no nutritional value but dry fruits are full of nutrients. Then you can consult your doctor or dietitian if you suffer from food intolerance. In next video we will know about dieting myths.